Natural cough remedy peppermint. How it works: this well-known herb dilates the respiratory tract and sinuses, Stiles Green says. It's also an expectorant. Its main active ingredient, menthol, thins mucus and acts as a decongestant. Use it as a supplementary therapy with other herbs, Nishida suggests. Form of herbal cough remedy, tea. Dosage: for peppermint tea, the most popular preparation, steep 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes, strain and cool. Drink 4 to 5 times daily between meals. Do not give peppermint to infants or small children because the oil may cause life-threatening breathing problems, according to the University of Maryland Medical Center.